Hey YouTube, so I got this Moen Kitchen Faucet, and as you can see, there is water leaking out of the base of it. Luckily for me, I have a fellow YouTuber who is a plumber, so I just sent him a picture of this to ask him what's going on, and he had a video explaining how to replace the cartridge in here, either because you got a drip from here or a leak from the base of the faucet, and I'm going to be following his video basically to make this repair. His channel is Legendary DIY, and I will leave a link to it in the description. And he's a good YouTuber to go to for plumbing repairs or how-to videos. So let's go ahead and see if we can get it fixed. So first thing we're going to do is shut off the water. I have these easy valves that I just pull and shuts the water off. Alright, now we need to make sure that the water is off. Looks good. I'll clean up my mess there. So I need this 3/32 inch Allen wrench for this part to get the handle off. Go fishing. There we go. There we go. So now that the handle's off, I can get to this cover that's covering the cartridge and get it off of there. Get fingernails underneath the lip. Slide off. Phew. Alright, so here's the cartridge. It's underneath this nut, and he said I could either tighten up the nut, see if that fixes it, and if it doesn't fix it, then replace the cartridge. Let's see if just tightening this nut will fix it. I got alligator pliers here. Alright, so seems pretty loose. And he said not to make it too tight, because it is plastic. Alright, so got the nut tight on there. Let's I guess let's turn the water on and see if it leaks out the base. Oh, push it in to turn these on. Alright, so it's been on for a while. I haven't seen any seeping up through this area or any leaking out of the base. Everything looks like it's sealed back up, so just tightening up this nut here fix the problem. And if it doesn't fix the problem for you, then you can go to the Legendary DIY video to replace the cartridge that's down in here. That should actually fix the problem for you if just tightening this doesn't. And I'll leave that in the description as well. So please check out his channel, because that's what I used to make this repair, and I greatly appreciate it. So thanks for watching.